Hello, I'm Luke from County Battery, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2-second improvement we've made in our pack building process. Now, for anyone that doesn't know, pack building is where we get batteries like these, drill batteries or e-bikes or mobility scooters. We take them apart and we replace the cells inside. Usually we uprate the power, which means they'll last longer. Now, previously what we've had is we've had a paper-based system where we've printed orders out and we've had them scattered everywhere to show us which pack is to do next. And when the quality control has gone out, we just had a tick list. It wasn't very clear, it didn't really show what to do. So what we've done is we've come up with a solution, and I'll show you now. Okay, so what we've got here is our new manufacturing system. And here we can see all of the packs that we have to build and the order, the date that they came in, the quantity, and we can see what they are and what stage they're at and much more. What we've got here, we've got this pack here that is 100% completed, these 2 packs even. If we click on this build button here, and go to this field, we can see our new quality control procedure. So as I said before, previously this was on paper. What we have now is we have a tick list, so we can see who made it, what the voltages were, and we can tick to say whether the cells have been signed and dated, if it's charging correctly, if it's been cleaned, if a build label's been applied, and if it's been tested, etc. Now with this new system, we can make sure that all packs are built uniformly and that they all meet our high standard of workmanship.